In order to spend the holidays, what we search, we usually look forward towards the hill station. Why? Because it is being surrounded with greenery, the plants. The plants not only provide the positive vibes, the reason behind the positive vibe is but obviously a pollution-less area. We can contribute to the environment by protecting the trees, by raising voices while the trees are being cut for so many development purposes. I know there is always a trade-off between pollution, there is a trade-off between development, and there is a trade-off between the natural environment. But undoubtedly, we can take examples from the Narmada Bachao Andolan. Yes. So we can just go for development as per the requirement of that particular place, as per the requirement of the people that are being there, so that we can all have a sustainable development and choosing plants over anything else to have a sustainable lifestyle. Thank you.